Hi, today I will show you Logitech G703, which is best wireless gaming mouse you can buy, and in the rest of that video I will tell you why I think that. But first let's see what you can find in the box. Setup guide, safety and warranty information, Logitech sticker, and information about other G-series products. And now more interesting things. 1.2 meter long charging data cable, extension adapter and LIGHTSPEED wireless receiver, optional 10 gram weight, and G703 Gaming mouse. As you can see, there are 6 programmable buttons, 2 side buttons, middle click button, DPI switch button, and main left and right buttons with advanced metal spring button tensioning and mechanical micro switches that are rated for 50 million clicks. Mouse weight is 95 grams, but you can add included 10 gram optional weight for a total of 105 grams. Built-in battery can provide 60 hours of continuous play or 35 hours with RGB lighting. And speaking of RGB, there's LightSync RGB, which allows to customize lightning animations and effects from about 16 million colors using Logitech G Hub gaming software. To charge your mouse, just unplug receiver extension adapter and connect your mouse with same cable. And it's also data cable, so you can still play as it charges your mouse. Other option is POWERPLay wireless charging system, but you will need to replace 10 gram weight disc with power cord from POWERPLay kit. G703 uses shape of very comfortable G403 mouse, but with 2 main improvements. First is LIGHTSPEED wireless technology, which delivers pro-level performance and responsiveness, which is faster than many wired gaming mices. The second thing is the most advanced Logitech sensor, Hero 16K, which providing 1-to-1 tracking, 400 plus IPS and 100 to 16,000 DPI sensitivity, plus zero smoothing, filtering or acceleration. So for about $99 you can rid of the tangling cable without any compromises. Let me know in comments what do you think about wireless technology in gaming accessories, and subscribe to my channel if you want more content like this.